Good morning everyone. My name is Madhabi Behera. I teaches chemistry for class 9th and 10th. So please join with me for a small topic, that is, why do metal react through chemical bonding? So my topic is chemical bonding. So here everyone, you can see the name, that is chemical bonding. What do you mean by chemical bond? Chemical bond is nothing but, if we will take an example of day-to-day life which we daily see in our life, that is from our home itself. The home itself means, what I need to say is, for example, in a family there is a bond, right? Some family have joint family or some are small family. They are living apart from their cousins, right? So there is a bond between them. If we stay apart from them also, there is a bond that we will come across. Means, for example, that we are dealing with our families, right? If we will come in the part of chemistry, there is a bond between an atoms and molecule. Why we are forming this bond? Why this bond form? The only reason is that the bond form for the stability between two atoms and the stability between two molecules which hold two atoms together. For example, the only word is stable, stability, to make the atom stable, to make the molecule stable. So there are two types of bonding. One is ionic bond, another one is chemical bond, or we can say it as covalent bond. So ionic bond are of two types, ionic bond and covalent bond. So ionic bond can be also say as, we can say as ionic bond as electrovalent bond, electrovalent bond. So today our main focus will be on ionic bond, right? So let's start with ionic bond. So what do you mean by ionic bond or electrovalent bond? Now generally everyone knows that electrovalent, electro means charge of ions. Ions means positive charge and negative charge, right? Now I told you that positive charge is related to metal, negative charge is related to non-metal. So the name itself suggests electrovalent bond means the transfer of electron between a positive charge to a negative charge. Means there is a transfer of electron between positive and negative atom. Okay, then why do they transfer electron? The only reason is what I told, the only reason is due to stability. Is it clear? Very easy. So we will see that how the electron get transferred from a positive to a negative, or we can say it as from a metal to a non-metal with a very small example. So we will take one example as sodium chloride. Okay, so sodium chloride. So sodium has atomic number 11, chlorine has atomic number 17. Clear? Now electronic configuration of sodium is 281 and chlorine is 287 according to Bohr's rule. As everyone knows, they read in 9th class, according to KLM shells, right? So here sodium has atomic number how much? 11. So its outermost electron contain how much? 1 electron. Clear? Now chlorine has outermost how many electrons? 7. So the rule is like that, when an atom will gain stability, when the atom will gain stability, when they contain in the outermost how many electron? 8. 8 means the atom is completely in the stable form, right? Neither they will gain electron nor they will lose electron. Clear? So if sodium is giving 1 electron to chlorine, So chlorine will become how many electron? Chlorine outermost 8, right? And sodium outermost will be 8. So sodium also will become stable and chlorine also will become stable, and they will form a bond between them, and it will call it as sodium chloride salt. Clear how they form? So now here what happened? How the transfer of electron take place. So this another scientist came named as Louis. He told that the transfer of electron take place by dot structure, and the name itself called as Louis dot structure. So we will see here sodium and chlorine. So sodium outermost how many electron? 1. So sodium we will put 1 dot. Chlorine outermost how many electron? 7. So put 7 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right? So sodium will give 1 electron to chlorine. Now there will be lot of question, madam, why sodium is giving only to chlorine? The only reason is that due to the stability. Sodium need to attend stability, or sodium needs to fulfill the electrons. That is the only reason why sodium gives electron to chlorine. And in general, if you will think that, what is the easy way is, chlorine can give 7 electron is easy, or sodium can give 1 electron, which is easy. For taking from one person 7 rupees, it is easy, or if one person is having 1 rupee and he is giving, that one is easy. Which one is easy? 1 rupee or taking 7 rupee? Please take care of that, right? So sodium given 1 electron. Clear? Now what is the equation? Sodium will carry 1 plus and chlorine will contain 1 minus. So in this, how we will form equation? So sodium is a metal. Sodium has how many electron? 11 atomic number. So 1 electron sodium is giving, means it become loss. So how many sodium has given? 1 electron. So that's why loss price means minus. Given how many electron? 1 electron, and become electropositive in nature. Again we will come to general example, right? If we are traveling somewhere, and near that beggars are there, they will be asking you some money, right? So when you are giving all people will not give to them. If you are giving something, some money to them, means you are positive in nature. What that beggar will think? Yes, that person is good. He is or she has positive character. That's why she has given me 10 rupees or he has given me 20 rupees. So the positivity what sodium has given, but you itself become loss, right? If you are given money, you have 100 rupees and you have given 10 rupees to the beggar. So how much money you have? Rest 90. So what you did? Subtraction, minus. Same you have to apply here. Sodium has 11 rupees, 11 electrons. He has given 1 electron to somebody, means negative, loss price. How many electrons sodium given? 1 electron, and become what? Positive in nature. I am become a positive character, right? Chlorine. Chlorine has 17 electron. He gain 1 electron plus charge and become chlorine 1 minus, negative character. Everyone has to give to chlorine, right? So chlorine become negative character. This is the form of equation how we can remember in a very easy term. So thank you friends.